Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how we are going to restrict some data connection access to certain users. So I want to create a data connection called as data, and I want to restrict or basically give this particular access to one single user. That's it. And to do that, uh, over here we are going to create a data connection. For my use case, the data connection is in D drive as a folder, or I can just say click share apps, all the binary apps, and I will say create. As you can see, the data connection is created, and over here I am going to open up QMC and going to rename my data connection back to only data. That's it. We'll reload this app and see if it is changed. So by the time this loads up, this takes a lot of time. We are going to, okay, it's loaded. So as you can see, it's renamed to data. Now we are going to create a custom property. So over to here I have already created a custom property and checked data connection and users, and over here I have provided the name of my data connection, which is data. I will save this and we'll jump to the security rule. In security rule, we need to create one in templates. I am going to choose data connection access. Okay, over here I will say data connection user level access custom. Over here option will be read, and now I will select the resource as data connection, and now I will just hit preview, save, and now let's give access to user 1 for my data connection data. Okay, so I have a user over here, user 1. Let's open an app. And let's see what data connections does this particular person has. Let's go to the data load editor, let this connection load. As you can see, he doesn't has the access to that data connection as of now. So let's load a dummy data for now. Let's hit reload, and by the time this gets reloaded, we are going to check for the data connection. So data connection access is given to him as data, and we'll go back to my security rules saying data connection. Okay, so data connection access rule custom, and it looks good so far. So let's go ahead and check. Okay, now let's go to the data connection, data custom property, just name it as data, and now let's check this user again, and the app is reloaded. and let's check this guy again. Okay, connections has been loading. Let's give it a minute. Now as you can see, the data connection access has been given to this particular user. So simply telling you what you need to do. If you are confused, simple, you need to create a custom property. You need to add the name of the connection that you are making. After that, when in the first time in the connection rule, you need to create a custom rule only one time, which is by selecting a template called as data connection with read access in users. Select your custom property, then resources, select the resource type and the name of that connection. After that, you will see this particular option. Just save this. In the users, go to your user. In data connection access, add the name of your data connection. Then you need to go to your data connection. In custom property, add the name of your data connection again. The same customer, just need to click it once and select. So next time you go to add one more data connection, then you can add it in your custom property, and based on that it will filter. Or you can create one more data connection with the name of called, let's say, data. So you can group your data connections as per your custom roles. Let's say there are sales level data. So sales level data are coming from Salesforce, Excels, and let's say SAP. These three can be coupled up into one single name as, let's say, sales instead of my data. Okay, and then you can provide that, and specific developers will be provided with this particular access or this particular data connection access. So in this way you can create your own custom rules.